You know, at the NAMM show here in Anaheim, there are so many great things to look at, and a geek could really go bananas, especially attention deficit one like me. But one thing we really, really like is horsepower with a sexy touchscreen. And I'll tell you what, these new Crown amps, the new iTech series, are just, I'm so excited. I could just jump up and down. But instead, I'm going to hand the microphone over to Andy, and he's going to tell us all about it.
Thank you. So this year at NAMM, we're showing our brand new 4-channel amplifier. It's our flagship iTech HD. It's 4 channels of 3,500 watts burst power and 4 channels of 2,000 watts continuous. We've got 4 complete inputs of analog, 4 inputs of AES, and 4 Cobra Net, so you can switch depending on which way you like to run your system. In terms of outputs, we've got speak-on or binding post, so there's 2 different options. And it's got complete with DSP processing by BSS, so it has FIR filters, all of our limiter suites, so you have plenty of horsepower to run any system. It also has a great sexy looking touchscreen that allows you to get in and out of the product really quickly, make setting adjustments, and it even has really cool VU meters as well. So great amplifier, we're really excited about it, and plenty of horsepower.
We're going to have you show us the touchscreen features here in just a second, but I got to say one of the things I really dig is the analog-looking VU meters on a digital touchscreen. You know, with a digitally enabled device, obviously AES, EBU, and Cobra Net being digital. I totally dig the outputs. You know, we got the NL4s for 2-channel here, channels 1 and 2, channels 3 and 4 over here, and then the NL8 for all 4 channels over here. So I'll toss it back to you and have you run us through the touchscreen.
So one of the great things about this amplifier is its touchscreen interface. So as you can see here, you can actually set up different monitoring functions that you want to look at. This one's actually showing VU meters. So as you touch through each of these, you can see that you can control each of the channels, and you'll notice that the button colors are actually changing as well to let you know which channel you're on. If we back out of this menu, you can actually see now you have full functionality to either use the touchscreen to go through these different menus, or you can actually roll the encoder button and go through the menus as well. So all of the same great features that you have from the iTech, you know, going into configuring Cobra Net or your network options, presets, you can even go in and set input priorities. All of this can be done right from the touch screen. So really quick to get in, navigate these menus. And you know, if you have any questions about what you're doing, you can always hit the little information button, and it'll pop up some information and let you know which feature you're configuring and how to configure it. Another great feature is that because we use standard networking protocols, you can actually hook it up and use an iPad as a control surface. So you can see behind me, you can use the iPad, look at signals, you can change level meters, you can hit mute, you can change your input priorities, or you could also make your own custom control panel and dump it to the iPad as well. So really powerful interface and control surface for the amplifiers.
Thanks, Andy. This thing's great. I mean, I look forward to selling a lot of these to, tour, to install. It's a great amp. We're pretty excited about it. So thanks so much.
Yep.